Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Newell's Auto Body has implemented new procedures in order to provide services without putting ourselves, customers, and employees, and all of our families at risk of contracting the virus. Social distancing has proven to be one of the best ways to stop the spread of COVID-19. We are implementing steps to limit person-to-person contact between customers and employees to prevent possible exposure to the virus. We've also taken steps to protect our employees from possible exposure not only from each other, but also individuals who would typically pass through our building. This includes insurance adjusters, parts suppliers, mail and parcel delivery, and other outside vendors. Our new procedures are designed to isolate our facility and employees to keep them safe. Newell's cares about the health and safety of our customers and their families. Therefore, we've made some changes to our usual drop-off procedures for our customers. Our front lobby is closed, but Newell's is open for business, and we're working in the office and the shop. We request that you call us before bringing your vehicle to our shop for our latest drop-off procedures. We'll call you the day before your drop-off to go over these procedures. We will open up your vehicle and allow it to air out as recommended by medical professionals. We'll then spend about an hour sanitizing all touch points on your vehicle before we begin disassembly of it. And when we're done with your repair, we'll sanitize it once again. Thanks for your understanding and for choosing Newell's.